माय मोगाचो येवकार मोगाल गोंयकारांनो म्हज्या भावाच्या आनी भयणानो म्हज्या इस्ती मोसांवच्या गोंयकारांनो पत्ते येयले आमी आनी जाले हांव नको कितले जाणांनी पयलो लायव्ह व्हिडिओ पयलो आसतलो आतां आमी सद्याक उलयताले आमचे गांवकार बाबा कडेन जो मायम लेजंड आहा आनी जेणें हालींच रिकॉर्ड ब्रेक केला आनी बाकीचे आमचे मानेस लोक पळय बसले ते सगळे एक आनी एक महारथी लेजंड्स आमचे एमिनंट पर्सनॅलिटी ऑफ गोवा कशें आसता पळय एंड दॅट इज कॉल्ड खालतीपण कितले बरे उलयत तेंचे अशेंच आसता आनी तेणें मास्क घातला मास्क काडले बाबा चड पयस पडला आतां मास्क घालूंक ना कितें निखिल दिवाकर तो ह्या व्हडलो सोशल एंटरप्रोनर ऑफ गोवा आनी पळय कितें करता आपल्या मार्बेलाचो एड कितें करता मार्बेलाचो एड करता पळय कमी दाखयता ओके कमिंग बॅक टू आमचो गांवकार बाब प्लीज टेल मी what made you think to go for 50 hours on 50th birthday of Auroville?
Okay, this is thanks to Rajendra, my friend. Okay,
Rajendra
to Dr. Rajendra म्हणून तो पॉंडिचेरीचो. He has a world records organization.
World record तेजेच already world record.
So तो म्हाका सद्दां सांगी तू रेकॉर्ड कर. I said कित्याक करू रेकॉर्ड बेस्ट ऑफ what is the use of records? I would like to do work from behind. And he said it is helpful. So 3-4 वर्सां जाले then 2018 आयलो आनी ऑरोविलाचो बर्थडे. He suggested to me आता रेकॉर्ड कर म्हणून. कित्याक करूया रेकॉर्ड ऑरोविल ओके we have to thank ऑरोविल so it was a good reason न्ही. Some thanking is the best thing we can do in life.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So then okay कित्याक करूया. Then I suggested how आयले बाय 50 वरां करता
अशेंच म्हणलें 50 वरां.
Then he said I said jokingly but it's not really. He said okay I'll tell now and he called up the press.
आणि announce केले.
No, he told his friend actually. I said why you told अशें करपाचें न्ही न्ही. said no it's just friend न्ही. And I thought 50 वरां because I had done 24 hours some
24 hours
already done but it is for not for record. I haven't केलं बेस्ट दाखोवपाक माझे फ्रेंड सर्कलाक करूं शकता म्हणून. So I said okay 2014 कितें करूया आतां what should we do? I asked my wife she's a medical practitioner. I told her. She said you can do but you have to take precautions घेवचे पडटा 50 hours. I told her करता म्हणून झाले केला.
आणि करताना तुका खरें दीस सांगा आता ऑडियन्स बसला आमच्या आपली फ्रेंडच बसले का म्हणजे प्रॉब्लेम कितें आसता केन्ना हागोंग मुतोंग तरी सोडून दी 50 वरां भाई आंग ये
पळय हांवें पॉंडिचेरीच्यान हांव खुबदां हांगा डायरेक्ट आयल्यात 1000 किलोमिटर्स कार घेवन. So this is the first prompt that my body can do. The first experience of mine that my body continuous I have drone from Pondicherry about 6-7 times I have drone from Pondicherry to here
without stopping
yeah means for food and for just taking care of the car ye kela hai but without stopping I have done more than 6-7 times.
So based on that experience of sitting still for so many hours I
know how much my body can take. दुसरे म्हणजे माझे आता परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्स and almost 27 years experience असा. So I know my art form. So that's why I knew I can do it.
Very good.
आणि कितें आमी केन्ना स्वताक करता न्ही we are always less enthusiastic. Suppose we are helping somebody then we get more strength.
Because you're doing for a cause.
Then it becomes.
And your cause was your guru.
Was Auroville's birthday. How come? But Auroville is much bigger than us. Mine is much bigger than us.
World teacher, brother.
So this is the thing.
Yeah. So coming back to the same frequency, Nikhil Diwakar. तो तिगात पळयता कोण कितें पळयता काय म्हणून. I want to ask Nikhil Diwakar is another legend. I don't know how many people are much aware that what Nikhil Diwakar has done on the age of कितली रे? ते ऑलरेडी कितें केलें ते केन्ना ते age of
actually world record हांवें केला.
That's 27च्या एजीर आमचे सगळे गोंयचे तोंडाडे डिस्को पार्टी करता मरे. तेणे कितें करतालो अगरबत्ती वर्ल्डाची व्हडली अगरबत्ती केल्या कोणे निखिल दिवाकरान. आता पळय फोटो हा ओ पळय दाखय ओ पळय हे पळयात मातशें पळय आं राव उजवाड पडटा पळयात पळय हे पळय ही अगरबत्ती पळय किती व्हडली आणि पळय तो खड्डो दिसता पळय तो तेन्ना तो घालला तोच फुल शेव घालत तो निखिल पळय आणि हो आतां हेजे बद्दल मातशें उलयात सो निखिल बाब what really inspired you and why agarbatti and why you did this
Okay, this
मातशें व्हडलें तुलें
I've been making agarbatti for maybe 10-15 years now. And I have a friend from America who like him, he likes to break records. So he has the record. He's a Guinness Book legend. He has the record for breaking the highest number of records. And he does this as it's a spiritual cause for him. It's for his own enlightenment. That's what he says. You can look up for his videos on YouTube. He's quite famous.
Name?
His name is Ashrita Furman.
Ashrita Furman.
Yeah. So he has set a record on all the continents at every wonder of the world. He's born in the same year that Guinness Book was started. I think he shares the same birthday or something like this. So he's very much attached to that Guinness Book. So he has a connection. He broke his first record when he was maybe less than 20 years old. Now he's probably 60. He's still breaking records. So he came to India. I helped him. I was assisting him at Taj Mahal, where he broke a record it's also a wonder of the world. And then on the way back to Delhi, he asked me, Nikhil, what do you do? I said, I make agarbatti. So he said, Nikhil, how about building the world's largest agarbatti? I was 25 at that time. For 2 years, I didn't hear anything from him. I sent him some raw materials, I made formula, sent him. Then 1 year in June, 2 years after that, he called me. He said, Nikhil, if you can come here in August, let's break the incense world record.
Wow.
And that was it. I went to Bombay, I made my visa, and I went in August, on the 27th of August, my guru's birthday is celebrated in New York. So we decided to honor our guru's birthday with this massive incense.
What's your guru's name?
Sri Chinmoy.
Chinmoy.
Sri Chinmoy, as a child, grew up in the Sri Aurobindo ashram. Sri Aurobindo was
so closely connected.
And we are friends that way. Like, when I started meditating, when I was 13 years old, I know Drupad from that time. Drupad used to live in Goa. Drupad was extremely deep into philosophy and meditation. So, he would come walking all the way for meditation, and I used to find him inspirational.
Wow.
Then he decided, he was quite smart. Then he decided to go to Auroville and dedicate his entire life to a cause. I have great respect for him. Now, recently he came with the kindness trip.
Kindness. हेच्याबद्दल उलयता kindness trip.
When he told me, I immediately thought about Feli. Because Feli is one person in Goa who is all the time doing something for everybody. And I thought you all should connect. And that's why.
Amazing. And connect म्हणजे केदो सर्कल जालो. तुम्ही पळोवंक शकता मोगाल गोंयकारान की आमचे कॉन्वर्सेशन एकूच मुद्द्यान घुंवता हिंगा स्पिरिच्युअलिटी, गुरु, कनेक्शन, एनर्जी. म्हणजे ह्यो गोष्टी कितल्यो इम्पॉर्टंट आहा आमकां लायफान आमच्या की कळपाक की वयली गोष्ट आणि फुडली गोष्ट जी आमकां गायड करता ती कशी. आणि आता एक आमी हेजे बद्दल भासाभास करीत रावतले. बट हांव कित्याक लेजंड म्हणटा कित्याक आमच्या फुडल्यान कोण तुषार कामत हेका तुमी आयकलें आसतलें. हालो पात्रांव बी आयकलां मरे तुमी. ही सोंगां आयकलें दॅट इज तुषार कामत. आनी कित्याक म्हणटा म्हणजे जाल्यार हालींच भासाभासीन आमी उलयताले अशें गजाली करून 500 more than 500 तेजी ओरिजिनल सोंगां आहा आनी कांयच न्हू खंय घेता तो. सो तुषार what actually leads you to create only music, eat music, drink music and music?
See, I'll tell you. I was writing poetry. हांव मरे पोएट्री बरयतालो 9 वर्सांचो आसतनाच. ती मागीर हांवें मरे एक 5-6 वर्सां बरोवन म्हाका दिसलें की अयणी आसा, तातूंत आनीक इल्लें मीठ जाय. सो आतां मीठ घालपाक सोदचें पडलें ना मीठ म्हाका वचून. सो मागीर हांव म्युजीक ट्यून लावपाक ट्राय करपाक लागलो. सो ट्यून लावपाक खातीर मागीर कीबोर्ड घेतलो. कीबोर्डाचेर मागीर हांव म्युजीक शिकपाक लागलो. आपूण सेल्फ टॉट, नॉट थ्रू क्लासीस. तें करता करता म्हाका रियलायज जालें की म्युजीक कंपोज करप इज अनदर गूड ट्रीप. हय. सो वॉट यू कॅन डू. पयलीं कशें आसतालें, हांव कविता बरयतालो, मागीर ताका ट्यून लावपाक ट्राय करप. मागीर म्हाका रियलायज जालें की तूं ट्यून पयलीं कर, ताजेर बरोवपाक जर ट्राय करशीत द वे फिल्म इंडस्ट्रीन लिरिसिस्ट बरयता तशें जाल्यार इट इज मोर चॅलेंजींग. बट तातूंत ब्युटी कितें आसा तर तूं जेन्ना मेलडी करता, ट्यून जेन्ना पयलीं करता तेन्ना ताजें जो इमोशन जें आसा दॅट इज मच प्युअरर देन
म्युजिकाचें.
हय, देन रायटींग.
So you mean to say you get inspired by the music and then the words of the.
सो आतां पांचशे पदां जावपाचें कारण कितें तर म्हाका सगळ्यान आवडटा खंयची फेज म्हज्या कामांतली म्युझिक सोंपोवन ताजेर जेन्ना बरोवपाचें आसता
तुजे मागीर पेन चलता
आय डोंट रियली केअर अबाउट द सॉंग
Ah.
माय मेन फेवरेट पार्ट इज वेन आय हॅव अ ट्रॅक वेन आय हॅव अ मेलडी वेन देर इज अ ट्यून एंड आय एम लायक हाजेर आतां हांव कितें बरोवं
अशें
That drives me.
आता म्हाका सांग एक 50 लोक पळयता आमी तुजे वरसून कितें म्युझिक बी आयकतले म्हणजे उलोवप चालूच आसतलें न्हू तूं मतीच्या मतीची
ह्या टायमार सुचना सर
नाही के बाय पळय कसली नाटकां करता पळय सायबा सुचना खंय काय व्हडलो म्युझिशियन मेवलेले पाटी आमी गाणीच करता वांगडा बट म्हाका पात्रांव नंबर वायट मान लायक जाले रे म्हाका पात्रांव कितें सॉंग रे ते पात्रांव एनी हाव म्हाका लोकांनी चड जाणांक कोणाक खबरूय ना जाल्यार हांव तुमकां लिंक घालतलो वयर आनी सगळ्यांची डिटेल घालतलो कित्याक हे इमर्जन्सी म्हणजे लास्ट मिनिटाक जाले प्लॅन कांय नाशिल्लो आमचो आनी जावं लोकांचे व्हडले उपकार दुपार बाब पळय तूं लोकांचे उपकार कांय ना कांय एनाउन्स बी कांय करनाका 50 to 60 लोक आमचे पळयता आमचे आनी हे कारण सांगता तुमकां हांव हे कारण आमचे सांगपाक हे आमचे भूमिपुत्रा हे सगळे आहा पळय आमचे भूमिपुत्रा ऐका ते सॉंग ही गोना सिंग फॉर यू नाउ
When I was 22.
हेजेर त्या कर बरे
इल्लो लावून करता
ऐक ladies and gentlemen going live to you Tushar Kamal
Mini da da papa mama ga ga mama papa da da mini da da papa mama ga ga mama papa da da mini da da papa mama da da pa nirni da da papa mama ga ga mama papa da da nirni da da papa mama ga ga mama papa da da nirni da da papa mama ga ga mama papa da da pa re ga ma pa re ga ma pa re ga ma pa da re ga ma pa da ga ma pa da ni da pa re ga ma pa re ga ma pa re ga ma pa da re ga ma pa da ga ma pa da ni da pa sa ni ni da da re ni ni da da ga ni ni da da ma pa ma pa ma pa ma pa ma pa ma pa da pa ma pa da pa ma papa mama ga ga mama ga ga re 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 na da da papa mama papa ga ga mama ga ni ni da da papa da da papa mama ga ma ga re
Amazing! Ladies and gentlemen, that was Tushar, the legendary musician Tushar. Tushar,
something going on
and
just
we
now.
have Drupad Gaonkar, who is just acting out live for you all. A mime who's done 50 hours of continuous mime acting and broke the record. And we were just आणि आम्ही just उलयताले मोगाल गोंयकारांनो ए निखिल दिवाकर पयस आसना इंगात बस. So we were just talking. I'm just talking in English right now. The reason why is because there's huge diaspora across the globe. Only can understand English. दूख लागता की म्हजी उतरां तोंडांतली भायर सगळीं सजमाना कित्याक हांव कोंकणी उलयता म्हणून बट तरी म्हणटा म्हणून सजमोंक जाय म्हणून सांगता. द रिजन वाय वी वर डुईंग दीस कॉन्वर्सेशन हे आतां आमचे घरचे फ्रेंड सगळे आतां पळोवंक शकता. निखिल दिवाकर हा, द्रुपाद गांवकार हा, तुषार कामत हा आणि हो फेली गोम्स हा. हे सगळे लेजंड आणि म्हजो कसलो लेजंड, म्हजो कांय लेजंड ना. म्हजो लेजंड हा तेंच्या फाटल्यान घुसपाचो. हो म्हजो लेजंड आणि हेच करता हांव आणि हेच
See, the way you can connect to hearts, that makes you a legend. आमकां कशें आतां आमी फाटल्यान बिहायंड द सीन मनीस.
सारखे. सो भवन खरेंच बट मेन सांगपाचें म्हणल्यार गोश्ट सांगपाक गेलें म्हणल्यार मेन कितें सांगपाक म्हजो मुद्दो एकूच आसता केन्ना व्हिडिओ करतना कित्याक तुमच्याय लायफान तुमी हें पळोवन तो स्टेज क्रॉस जाल्या कसली स्टेज. द्रुपाद हे न्हू तूं तेंच करूंक जाय. तुषार तूं हेंच करूंक जाय बाबा. आणि कितें जाता तुमच्या भितना तुमच्यान तो दम आहा म्हणून तुमी त्या विशियस सर्कलांतले भायर सरल्या. हिंगा खूब जाण आमचे यूथ हा आजुनी ट्रॅप्ड हा. म्हजो पाय धंदोवालो धंदोच कर, म्हजो पाय एडवोकेट कर आणि ते जोडून दोन आणि 10,000ची बॉटली मारत ते चलना खूब. तुझो पाय मिनिस्टर तू मिनिस्टरूच जाव आणि तोय चेडोच मिनिस्टर जाता. हांवें खबर ना मिनिस्टर म्हणे. सॉरी आय एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू. ग्रुपांत म्हाका पयलें सांगलें बाबा वी आर आर्टिस्ट. हे सगळे आर्टिस्ट हो तो एकलो बिझनसमॅन आतां सायड परे हा. बट हे आर्टिस्ट म्हणपाक लागलो मातशें जे पॉलिटिकल आणि एनवायरमेंटल मातशें खूब गोश्ट चल्ले आमच्या गोंयांत. बट आमचो मुद्दो फकत एकूच आसतलो की वॉट यू हॅव टू गिव अ मेसेज टू ऑल द यंग एंटरप्रेन्योर, बिझनेस एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, द यंग आर्टिस्ट, the young talented musicians who are still facing the challenging, firstly with the parents, secondly with the friends, and thirdly with the society. So enka tumcho kite suggestion ha, you can go one by one. Kite suggestion ha to break this shell and this barricade?
That is not a shell actually. Okay.
Challenges.
They are not even challenges. They are the beauty. आमका exam असता न्ही, they are beauty. Okay. ते नसताना आमका ते value करचे ना. आता समज I'll give a scenario दिता तुका, which is an unnatural scenario. It is 15th August. Okay. Now after 5 minutes you are supposed to go and say your national anthem. Okay. There is a bucket full of water next to you. I am there, I am taking your head and putting in bucket full of water. Now you are supposed to say national anthem. What are you going to do? Are you going to say national anthem inside that bucket full of water? No. What is the first thing you want?
Tualo.
Not tualo. Your head is inside the bucket full of water. You have to say because it is time now. तुका वचूंक जाय. Okay, तुका responsibility दिला. कळले मरे? My hand is holding your thing. What is the most important thing now you have to do?
Tokli बाहेर काढ.
बाहेर काढली म्हणजे किती? Why?
उस्कार घेऊन जा ना.
I want to take air, no?
Yeah.
The air is more important that time.
Yeah.
So to sing the national anthem, air is first more. So
Absolutely.
what is your air in life?
Yeah. So
Then
that
you can sing national anthem.
I
Otherwise you can't sing.
just interrupt him. ताजोच point म्हाका याद जालो, which I caught the most. You said you had found your craft because you had practiced it for so long before the world record. That is the most important thing. Giving time to life so that you find your strength. धक्क्याक मेळूंक शकना तुका ती. You need to try so many
तुझे
things.
पॅशनान तू इतलो इवॉल्व आसूंक जाय, इतलो डेडिकेटेड आसूंक जाय, इतलो साधनान गुंतूंक जाय की
Because दर मनशा भितर मरे वेगळे वेगळे कलर आसात. आमी रेनबो रे, आमच्या भितर 7 रंग आसात.
ना
आमी खंयचो बाबा आमचो हायलाइट तो सोदून काडप ताचो माय. ताणें तितलो ताका टायम दिलो त्याच्यामुळे
आणि-
ताका ही कुड से दॅट इज माय क्राफ्ट, दॅट इज माय आर्ट, दॅट इज माय फॉर्म.
And what do you say, Nikhil? Nikhil, what do you say about the social entrepreneurs?
Well, I feel for entrepreneurs, the first thing is once you start something, you got to go all the way till the end. No matter
What you vision?
Yeah, there will be hurdles. Everything, no, there are no like nothing is a block. Anything that blocks you is a hurdle. You have to overcome that, and this is the process. It's like a journey. So you have to follow your heart all the time. You have to face.
Believe in it.
Yeah.
Believe in it. So मोगाल गोंयकारांनो चोडी हिंगा
हांवें ताका इंटरप्ट केलें, ही वॉज सेइंग समथिंग.
हा होय होय कितें
Yeah,
important-
that's-
No, no, that is the air of
But
life is very
I would like
important.
to continue from what he was saying.
हा
To achieve anything in life, I think even for Tushar with music
Huh.
or for Feli with his work with the village and with the people, you have to want it more the way you want to breathe. When your nose is closed,
Because
so
if-
most people don't know. When
Yeah.
your nose is open, you're breathing naturally.
Yeah.
If your nose is closed and you want to breathe that badly, you have to want something, you will get it.
फुगार जावन भोंवचो
You
पडटा.
can't give up. And I think the most important thing is to never give up and to have perseverance. That is, no matter what comes your way, you have to overcome that. Keep going, keep going, keep going. I think.
So what I can understand, my beautiful people, is that if you are really passionate, compassionate about something which is exploding within you, is that you feel you follow your passion. No matter or whatever objection or challenges you face across your life, you still stick to it and you achieve what you desired. तू कोणाक आपयता?
प्रसाद.
राव आनी एकलो लेजंड हाडटा तुमकां मातसो राव आनी एकलो कोण लेजंड येयल्या वोहत पाशेच कळूंक आनी एक सॉंग म्हणटा रे तूं बाय चान्स
हय.
अरे हांव ती सॉंग नंबर वन बरें
माझे सगळे काहो नाशिल्ले
खुंय
आणि गाडी ना.
गाडी ना म्हजे हां बरें घुमट बरें म्हजे जांबे हां ए मातशें राव रे
तो नकळो ताजें नांव, तो नकळो ताजें नांव, उमटींतलो तो आतां कितें
जाता तें जावं
पणजे ताजें
जावं
जावं पितो मडगांव,
यो.
जावं वास्को
ओबे कोण येला बेस रे कॅमेरा उडे शो
टाइम नाही मारू तू
कोण येला ओबे कोण येला बेस आय पात्राव ओ पात्राव ए चालत रे राव आता त्याच रिस्पेक्टान एक 40 लोकांक रिस्पेक्ट दिया आमी मातसो होयो
पोट सगळं
अरे पोट
काय
फाट करता का ओके सो पावन सोलरा हा मगर गोंयकारांनो आमच्या मुखार या कोंगरे केसाचो आणि धनगर टार्झन कहो प्रसाद फोंडकार just to align you with the conversation what we are having because just हांव तेच सांगतालो लोकांक की लेजंड्स बोसले आमचे महारथी
लेजंड बॉय
सगळे तो तुमचे कितें तर सगळे लेजंड आमी आणि आमी हांवचे लेजंड
लेजंड ऑफ लेजंड्स
सो हांव आमच्या युथाक हे गजालीन फकाणा भितर युथाक तुमचो भितरलो पॅशन आणि कंपॅशन फॉलो करून तेच आमचे उलोवप जालें सगळे आपले आता कंपॅशन पॅशन दुसरें इज अ व्हेरी व्हेरी डबल माइंडेड मनीस म्हणजे पॉझिटिव्ह रे म्हणटा
एक कसो
ओके सगळे हातात मेळले सो ह्याच बोबावन हांव तुमकां सांगूंक सोदतां प्रसाद
बॉय करूया मरे भवान म्हणजे भवान
बाबा व्हडला तेका बरें का तर बाबा सो त्याच बाबान मातसो आमच्या युथाक आमच्या गोंयच्या युथाक सांग कित्याक पॉयंट कितें आसलो हिंगा सगळे आमी हिंगा बसल्या पळय आमी
कॉपाक बसना मरे
कॉपाक बसूंक ना कोणा आमी ह्या लेवलीर आमी म्हणा तुमी हांव आजून तुमी आतां म्हाका खबर ना तुमी ह्या लेवलार पळय बिकॉज यू आर कम अक्रॉस ऑल द चॅलेंजीस ऑफ युअर पॅशन तुमकां जाता तो हे लोकांनी ओडपाक ट्राय केलो
अजूनही करता
आणि
अजूनही करता
अजूनही करता
आता चड मजा
चड
येता,
येता.
आता चड मजा येता.
पळय
आता ताजो रस
ह्या 40 उतरलो एकलो पासून हेंका ओडपाक ट्राय करीत रे पळय तुमकां
ते 40 म्हणजे कसे परवडचे 40 ते एकामेकाक उठतात सकट
हे आमचे सगळे
ते एकामेकाक उठतात
ते 40 हांव ऑडियन्साचे उलयता 40 मिनिस्टराचे उलयता बाणकोचे
एकामेका ओडटात.
मिनिस्टर एकामेका कुल्ल्यो खंय पांय ओडटात
metaphor बरें समजा.
हे तुम्ही पयलं आसतलें की हांव तुमकां व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट मेसेज दिवंक येतलो इम्पॉर्टंट बरी जावची ना खंय दिसता म्हाका ही आमच्या
हांसपाक पडटा हा करून
किगन म्हजो पार्टनर किगन दिसलो
Partner?
पार्टनर म्हणजे
ठिकाण
ओ किगन कित्याक हसता काय खंय तूं पळय सो आमच्या युथांक आमच्या
ब्रेथ सॉरी ब्रेथ
ब्रेथाचेच उलयता तूं खबर आहा 50 वरां खबर आहा
वर्ल्ड रेकॉर्ड होल्डर
या
आतां हालीं गेला हालीं करून गेला
कितें
50
2008
hours
गेला. हे
non-stop.
आता या वर्सात
Wow.
केला 12 hours 12 minutes non-stop sitting in one position.
वो हो बहला
अब्दुल
अब्दुल
Abdul Kalam's birthday, death anniversary, sorry.
आणि एक गजाल सांगू ना तुका लेजंडाची ती
March.
No, death
ध्रुपाद
anniversary, March नहीं.
फेब मार्च और नवंबर समथिंग
August 27. August 27.
हां तू सांग पुढे
ऑगस्ट
अरे आम्ही टॉपिक ठरवलं मारे
नाही,
पॅशन म्हणतात रे
Sorry, July.
तुझ्याकीन तेणे बरो टॉपिक तेणे बरो ब्रेक केला सो तेका टेन्शन 12 वरां पळय कोण हसता तुका
कोण
कळना
ठिकाण हाय ठिकाण
किगन रे
हा, कोण तो मेघन
बरं तेका फिलिप मेंडिस
Hi, Philip.
बरोबर दिस इज द live conversation happening if you have the button there
button?
watch party म्हणून
यू
असता
हॅव अ बॉटम किधर बॉटम
watch party button दाबा because laughter is the best medicine so तुमका सांगतालो अब्दुल कलाम आजाराच्या
नाही, आजार नाही.
आजार नाही.
डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम
एपीजी कलामाच्या बर्थडे केलं ना
डेथ अॅनिव्हर्सरी
डेथ अॅनिव्हर्सरी
इमेज का मला बघायचं
12 hours हे एक पोझिशनार बसला म्हणजे किता
विचार नका
नवाशे हेच्या विशीं ओबे हाय पानकार म्हणटा पळय तुका किगन
हाय हाय ठिकाण
okay so coming back to the topic what is the message for all the youth who wants to follow their
Okay,
passion
first thing, if you like to work, please give up your job. First thing, straight away.
सॅलरी ऑन
and
फर्स्ट
and if you lost your job, celebrate.
हा आताच्या टायमार
Yeah,
आता
during lockdown, if you lost your job, please celebrate.
सॅलरी ऑन द फर्स्ट इज द बिगेस्ट पॉइंट
Thank you for saying that.
Yeah, because when you are on job,
This is
you are happiest only once in a month.
when you get a job
absolutely.
Okay, where in a job you are happiest only once in a month, but when you work for yourself, you are happy all the time. And work for
दिलो
yourself.
असतं नाही उठता त्यांना खोशी जाऊन उठतो
आम्ही निजत नाही ना रे.
This is really practical advice, and this really works.
Okay,
This really works.
see when you work for
ट्रायड अँड
yourself.
टेस्टेड काय सांगणार खरं सांगता केला.
एक्सपिरियन्स हे सगळे आम्ही उलयता ते एक्सपिरियन्साचे बेस्ड ऑन प्युअर फॅक्ट्स उलयता आम्ही
And if you're looking for a job or whatever, please don't. Okay, run after your passion.
Okay.
And I'll tell you what is the most difficult thing. Only thing you'll find is finding what you're good at.
एक्झॅक्टली
Okay,
Finding
that's the
what
only thing
strength.
what you're going to find difficult. Once you've found what, how will come running to you. But finding what is the most difficult. It took me 11 years in the bank to know what I was good at.
11 वर्सां बँकेन कामाक घालून प्रसाद सर खबर ना तांकां सांगता आणि आता टॉप मोस्ट फोटोग्राफर हांव नको टॉप मोस्ट जाल्यार बट टीचर नंबर 1 कित्याक आख्या म्हाका हालींच या कोविड टायमार सांगता तुमकां स्टोरी सांगता मातशें शांत राव आवाज वगळटा या कोविड टायमार वेन आय वॉज इन कोविड टायम आसगांव जेवण नासलें कहे भाशेन ते लोंगाटा करून त्या ब्युरोक्राचे थिंपडून हाडले भितर म्हणल्यार सगळ्यांक ते कलेक्टराचे पोंतान व्हडलो कोण मनीस येयलो IAS ऑफिसर येयलो ओके आणि तो म्हाका रेफरन्स करता आणि तो हेजो स्टुडंट प्रसाद पानकर जो म्हणजे चिता दॅट इज द व्हॅल्यू बिकॉज ही इज चेसिंग हिज पॅशन
Already chased, right?
झाले आणि
And sir has built an industry, of photographers. There are so many photographers who took up photography because of him.
Exactly.
I was
Yeah.
a student 10 years back.
Yeah.
Even
He
he
helped me
also-
build Kokam, make better photos, to make
Better
the
product, yeah.
presentation was better, and it helped me build a company, right?
See,
Yes.
I would say
so many
simple-
ways, he's so, and he teaches much more than photography. I remember, I would like to share one thing. Very first class that I went, he told me something totally different. I didn't even have an SLR camera. I had borrowed a friend's. He told me photography is capturing light. And if somebody can understand this, it's quite a broad dimension. Yeah.
What I've noticed is that people have dared to buy a DSLR because they felt that yes, they can learn because this man exists.
Because mostly what you do.
It's expensive नी.
Ah.
Point and shoot घेताले सगळे पयली बेटीची कॅम लागते.
Ah.
DSLR घेवपाक फाटी कित्याक लेन्साचे इतले पयशे येता, बॉडीकूच इतले पडटा. प्लस तो खूप डेलिकेट गजाल.
Photography.
People dared to do that. I have seen so many friends of mine buying DSLRs because they
हांवूय खूप शिकला रे लोचता पळय एका हांव सराच्या दोळ्यान पळोवन लोचता हांवूय खूप
नॉन परफॉर्मिंग स्टुडंट नॉन परफॉर्मिंग एसेट आमचो
ओके मागता बघा
He's getting more videos he's doing now. See, he makes his own videos.
yes at least he's
Alright.
using it somehow
अबे टॅलेंट यूज करता टॅलेंट यूज करता सो अहेत आसोन खेळोन आमी
and yes now we're talking about laughter no see one thing you have to laugh a lot
Yeah.
okay please because especially if you follow your passion the laughter the happiness will come by itself you may not have a single pie in your pocket listen you may not have a single pie in a pocket but you will have an amazing smile on your face
yeah
110% sure
which is very contagious
yeah.
which is contagious and healthy for the other people for you and as well
रावरे
as
आम्ही सोपून ना माझी मातसो उरला मरे रावरे मातसो उरला पहिले सुबहानल्ला म्हणटा रावरे मातसो उरला
I just got that. Subhanallah, Subhanallah.
Okay, I've got somebody.
ओय मार्केटिंग करून गेलो बाबा कोकम हाडले बाई कोकम
No, everybody's
Okay. So what I was talking about, you may not have a single pie in your pocket, but you will have an amazing smile on your face, and that amazing smile will attract money in your life.
Yes.
You agree with this, guys?
Absolutely.
And you will attract when you need it the most.
exactly based on the same note I'll just say this on this very serious note I'm very emotional
Emotional too emotional.
आता इतली वर्सां जाले 10,000 I'm really sorry मोगाल गोंयकारांनो कित्याक म्हाका कोणाचो मिस कॉल येयलो मिस कॉल येयलो कट करतो म्हणलो फोन सो सांगपाक गेल्यार
That call was from a miss, so that was a missed call.
सो सांगपाचें कारण म्हणीत जाल्यार पयशे लायफान व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट कितली म्हणून सेवा करतलो मात आली कितें केला तुमचे लायक्स आनी थम्स अप आनी कमेंट खूब बरें आहा पयशे कोण दितलो व्हिडिओ काडपाक इंटरनेटाक पयशे पडटा खबर आहा मरे आतां ना सिरियसली गजाल आनी सच सांगता आय स्टार्टेड टेलिंग दीस पीपल एंड दे आर फॅन फॉलोवर्स हू आर सिरियसली they really deposited the money in our NGO account.
Wow.
Where do you find these people?
ना अरे हे कितें काल येयला ना आयज भिक्षाम दे म्हणून दिना थंय ना आमचे सारके स्ट्रिक्ट फॉलोवर्स आहा आनी काळजांसून सगळे म्हजे कॉन्ट्रिब्युटरांक सपोर्टरांक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा की तुमी असलो सपोर्ट दिलो एंड आय एम मोर एनकरेज टू डू सम मोर व्हिडिओज which can create more awareness on our health, on our atmosphere, on our community, that is our अस्मिताय आणि याच्या बद्दल हे सगळे म्हणजे तोंडाक पळयता आतां कितें म्हणटलो आणि काय म्हणटलो उतरां काय मारता हे सगळे पडले ते लेजंड सगळे लेजंड पडले आनी क्वायट फॉर्च्युनेट कित्याक तांकां सांगलां तुमी चड उलयना कित्याक म्हजो प्लॅटफॉर्म म्हजो फोन आनी म्हजो कॅमेरा हांव उलयतलो
Okay, I would like to tell something about Nikhil, okay? I call Nikhil Goa's Robin Sharma. Now you know you guys who Robin Sharma is?
मोस्टली
Google कर रहा है. कबाल Google करा.
खबर अरे ऐक म्हजे हांव तेच सांगतालो ध्रुपादाक तूं सांग म्हाका कंटिन्यू कर रॉबिन शर्माचें हांव तेच सांगतालो म्हजे ऑडियन्स पळय आहा
ते Robin Sharma.
ना ती गांवची सारकी घरची बायलां आनी भुरगीं हितून भितरले पळय आहा ते ऑटोमॅटिकली कोण येयल्या मात म्हजे ऑडियन्स ते म्हणजे ते रॉबिन शर्मा तूं सारको सांग रॉबिन शर्मा कोण तो आतां
Okay, Robin Sharma is one of the world leading motivational writer, motivational speaker, and he was at the end of his life, end of his career, overweight, he was very successful lawyer, okay? Then one fine day he just gave up everything to search and to find himself. And he did find himself and he's making the world a better place. Okay? That's exactly what I find in Nikhil, not because of the hairstyle or the lack of it or the lack of it, okay, but the way he
लॅक ऑफ इट आणि आपले केस खंय उगयता पळय कितें सांगतलो
सगळ्याचे वाट्याचे
एक गुंदराले
सगळीकडे नाही.
प्रसाद सर बरे सोडटा मरे
अजून सुरू जाऊ ना मात्र राव.
ओके
So Nikhil has changed his life, you know, at the age of 17 or 18. Look, he was exporting things, you know, he learned import export at a very young age, and he asked questions, very very important. He never took things lying down what parents told us. He always asked the most important question in life, and the question is why,
exactly.
which we never ask. This is the story of God. Ask why this is God, why this is not God, or why this is not right, why this is wrong. Ask the most important question, why. And that's why Nikhil today what Nikhil is today, because he kept on asking why.
Yes.
Agree? Okay. And he found his why. Okay. And somebody over here still asking why.
आजपासून हांवूय
Very bottle वयर करून दाखय मरे bottle.
अबे वो ड्रिंक
And wait, do you know how Dhruv asked why? Like this.
माइंड
My. Okay, so.
And Tushar's last song is Kyun.
Oh shit, that's also why. That's also why.
एजर क्यों मास्टर
Hey, Paul, one more. Hey, sing a song, then I'll go. My students. You sing a song, I'll go. Because I have my students now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
आवानी किरे म्हणून.
म्हणते. एक बरे खातर म्हणतो.
This song by Aditya Narayan. I have written it.
एक बरे कोकणी पद म्हणतो. आमची
हा,
कोकणी
कोकणी
आमची
म्हणता.
कोकणी आमची मरे माय भास.
What background?
ना म्हणटा तो
राव
म्हणजे हांव मात्ता बाडी दोन पार जावं तिळसोना बायकार म्हज्या म्हटल्यान बसता सद्दां कितली जाणां रस्ते हांव जाणा सगळे बिडणीच्यान काणटा पायलट म्हाका म्हणटाले केन्ना येवलो मागताना फ्रेंडार रावता सद्दां हांव उबो टेक अ टॅक्सी गो टेक अ टॅक्सी गो Take a taxi, go.
आता पैसे उडाय सगळे एन्जॉय घालात बाय गाइस माय स्टुडंट्स आर वेटिंग डाउन
Okay.
लवली टू बी इन फ्रंट
तूच बिझी नो आम्ही बिझी हा
No, I took
ओके मगर गोंयकारांनो ओबे डॅरल दिस इज अ नॅचरल थेरपिस्ट सो थँक्स अ लॉट मगर गोंयकारांनो अहेत मेळप आनी अहेत उमेदीन शेअर करप आमचे एक गोंयकारपण आमचे अस्मिताय आनी मेन गजाल म्हणटा ते मिनिस्टराचे आनी पॉलिटिकल कांयच उलोवंक ना हांव उगडास जरा तरी ते पळयता आसतले
उलय म्हणा आता उलया
सो वी गोना कम बॅक टू दॅट ओहत मोग आनी एकूण विचार करे मगर गोंयकारांनी मोग आसो ए निखिल खंय रे बाय निखिलाचे घरे बाय